Rashida again for another video. This time it's about chocolate ganache. Very simple. All we need cream and good chocolates, and you may add sometime honey to make it sweeter, or some butter to make it shinier, but you really don't need to. So here I have one of the chocolate ganache. Normally we have 3 versions. This one is 1-to-1. What it means, for every 100 gram of cream I added 100 gram chocolate. That's it. There are 3 different chocolate ganache version. 1-to-1 meaning 100 gram to chocolate to 100 gram cream, or 1-to-2 100 gram chocolate to 200 gram cream, and 2-to-1 200 gram chocolate with 100 gram cream, and that depends on your project and your needs. So this one, for example, is 1-to-1. That's it. So you can see it, it's soft, it's at room temperature, and this one here is very liquid. I'm going to use this one to glaze chocolate cake. Today we can find easily good chocolates. My preferred one is couverture. If you can't find it, use chocolate chip or chocolate chunk. For this recipe, I would be using 70% cacao. Using a digital scale, weigh the chocolate and the cream. For all the details and the ingredients, please check chefrashida.com site. We start with the ratio 1-to-1 recipe. Pour the cream into a small pot and place it over medium heat for a few minutes. To prevent scorching the cream, keep stirring. Stop the cooking once the cream starts boiling. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate. Mix it by hand until chocolate begins to melt. Then blend it with an immersion blender until all ingredients are fully mixed. Let it cool for a few minutes. If you're not ready to use it, then store it in an airtight bag or container. You can keep it in the fridge for a few days or in the freezer for a few weeks. Don't forget to label the container so you know which version of chocolate ganache you have. This version is 1-to-2, 1 part chocolate, 2 parts cream. It has a higher percentage of cream. We follow the same steps like we did with the first version. And this one has a thinner consistency, which is perfect for glazes and icing. We follow the same steps for the version 2-to-1. It has very little cream. It's perfect for chocolate truffle and even for some chocolate cake. So here you have it. We have 3 versions of chocolate ganache. Some of it is spreadable, some of it is pourable. Make sure you have enough of chocolate ganache. You label it correctly and store it in the refrigerator or in the freezer until you need it. Recipe for this video is at chefrashida.com. Please check it out for all the details, all the ingredients, and leave your comment if you have any questions, and give it a thumb up if you like it. Thank you.